What if I told you that you can improve your pickleball in as little as 3 minutes a day without drilling? Would you be curious? Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. When you're over 50, whether you're trying to win tournaments or become the best rec player you can be, it requires more than just hitting tremendous shots. If you have a strong core and good balance, you're going to play better pickleball. Here's my favorite way to improve them both in just minutes a day. So you need to get on a mat, and you want to be on all fours, and you want to have your shoulder directly over your wrists, your hips directly over your knees. You can place your toes down for stability, or if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can have your toes pointed a bit. What you're going to do is you're going to start by lifting one arm up and then lift up the opposite leg. Now when we do this, we want to make sure that our hips stay facing the floor. Okay, this might be enough for you to start with. If you're comfortable with that position, now what I want you to do is take that arm and you're going to bring the arm and the knee in at the same time, curl under, touch the elbow to the knee, then curl back out. And you'll notice my leg and my arm, I'm trying to keep them parallel to the ground. Try that about 10 times. If you can do 10, you might only be able to do 2, 3, or 4. Try that about 10 times and switch to the other side. If that's too easy for you, what I want you to do is get in the bird dog position again, but this time I want you to put your hand behind your head, and now I want you to rotate up and then under. So we come up, rotate as far as you can, and then under. Up and under. Okay? Do that about 10 times. Then try the other one about 10 times on the other side. But the bird dog covers just a lot of areas for us. Like I said, balance, flexibility, stability, mobility, improves our core strengths. It's going to help you with your pickleball. Have an amazing Saturday.